Hi there, Rachel here from Followup CRM. Today I'm going to show you how to add users to your team. This is an essential step in assembling the best possible team within Followup CRM. For example, you might want to add your admin or your receptionist, your CFO, so he or she can analyze data and set goals, your marketing and business development department, especially if they're prospecting new leads. Your pipeline does begin with them after all, or your service department. Without all of these roles on board, someone will end up being tasked with passing information around to get it entered into the system. You can shortcut this and keep your entire pipeline clean, efficient, and in one place by adding users in less than a minute. You'll need administrator access to add users, which is covered in another video, but here's how. From your dashboard, go to your top right and select Company Settings. From there, select People, and you'll be prompted to enter a name. And an email address. And select their role. Click Register User, and your user has been created successfully. Come down here to Pending Invitations, and you'll see that user right here. Go ahead and click this email icon, and that sends them an email which prompts them to get registered into the system. Your user will then follow the prompts in their email, and if you ever need to resend the invitation, you can do so just by scrolling down and clicking Pending Invitations again and selecting the envelope icon. All right, that's all for now. Happy selling.